Howdy all you cowboys, cowgirls, gunfighters, and gamblers. Welcome to another episode of Jed I TV. I'm your time-traveling host, Jed I Knight. And on today's show, I'm going to share a product I found that makes traveling with your cowboy gear much easier. Specifically, traveling with cowboy hats. This is the Hammer Plastics large double western hat carrier. Hammer Plastics makes a variety of different hat carriers, from single hat carriers to double hat carriers and several models of triple hat carriers. The hat carriers come in different sizes to accommodate different brim widths. As several of my hats are very wide brimmed Boss of the Plains style hats, I chose the largest size. This large double western hat carrier can accommodate up to a 5-inch brim. Like most of the products Hammer Plastics makes, this hat carrier is available in multiple colors. And while some of the smaller carriers can have colored tops and bottoms, the large carrier is only available with a black bottom. This carrier is designed to hold hats with up to 9-inch crowns, which works out fantastic for stacking multiple hats in the box. I have found that even though the box is designed to carry 2 hats, I can easily, safely, and comfortably fit 4 hats in the box. I protect the hat ribbon from being crushed when you stack multiple hats by putting a strip of cardboard around the ribbon. This allows the top hat to slide down no further than the cardboard, and there's no worry of it wrinkling the ribbon. This is something to consider when storing hats as well. The latches on the hat carrier are lockable, and while the carrier feels very sturdy and I have no issue with its construction, I am not sure I'd trust the 1/16 inch of plastic in a baggage handling area. The hinge on the top box stops at 90 degrees and includes a mirror for checking to make sure your hat's on just right. And since the top section is removable, it can be used as a single hat carrier for those times when you aren't going to need multiple hats. Now I will leave a link to Hammer Plastics in the description box of this video in case you want to purchase one like this. If you do, please tell them you heard about their product on Jed I TV. I will also include a link to Amazon, where you can find a smaller selection of Hammer Plastic hat carriers, but they are offered with free shipping. And this is not a paid review. I purchased this hat carrier from a local boot barn so that I could safely and conveniently transport my hats. I was so impressed with the product that I ordered a second one.
What? I like hats, and sometimes I travel with a lot of them. And if you like this episode of Jed I TV, then please give it a thumbs up by clicking on that like button. And if you just happened to cross our channel, then by all means hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more Wild West infotainment. I'm Jed I Knight, and I'll see you in some other place, in some other time.
I want to extend a big Wild West thank you to the following pards for supporting our previous episode of Jed I TV. I really appreciate it. And if you'd like to buy me a coffee, simply follow the link in the description box below. It's just that easy.